are here and we are vlogging about something. A 7-day supply for food. Let's explain one by one.
That's not 7-day supply. That's 1 day.
1-day supply, yeah.
I'll fix it for you. So what did we buy first?
Yeah, okay.
Where did you buy this first, pala? From?
From the supermarket in Grand Lisboa.
What
These
is that?
are, I don't know what these buns are made of, but they are Chengseng buns.
A what?
Chengseng buns.
Alright. So how much is that? Does it have a price? Okay, no need. We have the receipt here. We spent how much first? We spent 205 MOP. Okay? That's their currency
in Hong Kong dollars, 200 minus 206.
$206. Next one, we have two pieces of what? What are those?
Pizza bread, I think.
Are those pizza bread? Oh, we have three pala. We have three. It's called Chengseng also, but it has sausage in it. It has sesame floss. What happened here? Another bread. What is that?
Nothing. Nothing. And we didn't know the price.
Next.
Green fish skin.
What's the flavor?
I guess OG.
Original. We also have
a yellow one. Salted egg, okay?
Those are chips, right? Who's gonna eat the chips?
I guess you. I don't like fish. Not a fan of. Okay.
What is that?
Rice cracker.
It's a flossy batapalan.
Flossy pork.
Flossy pork. Is that you? Ayan,
that's not me. You stop imagining
Puro chips tayo. And then we have for Ethan
a mini Oreo chocolate bites to go.
Next one we have this is I think a Macau product.
Yeah.
No, show them. It's a shortbread crescents.
What is a shortbread crescent?
It's Macau original taste, authentic flavor, refined ancient method.
Okay, now we have grape Fanta, which doesn't really taste like actual grapes. Fun fact, they don't taste like actual grapes because we're not being used to eat Concord grapes, which have a funky taste. And these are made of Concord grapes, which also have a funky taste and don't really taste like regular grapes called table grapes, which we usually eat. So this is Fanta, 330 ml.
Yung mga gusto niya, ang daming description. Next.
Okay, now we have lemon tea, a Chinese version. Look at this, just lemons, and there's no teacups in it. Now we have a bottle of Coke. Yeah,
who's gonna drink that?
I guess me.
You
and we have green, I don't know what is this. Is this even beer or soda?
You have to read what's written in there.
Heineken Original. What is this?
So what is that? Is that a soda?
I don't know.
Okay, this is a beer.
Yeah.
Okay, that's for who? That's for who?
I don't want my dad to get even worse breath. And I don't want my mom me too, so we'll give it to someone else.
Alright, what's that? Second to the last.
Lemon black tea.
Okay, those are in total 205
MOP.
Then we have a separate purchase here, which is
a nail.
This is worth
a nail cutter for travel.
Hala, this is 39.
What? Approximately 240.
Okay, so that's everything we bought from a new Yaohan supermarket. What are you doing? You have sipon?
Nope. I'm just a reaction. Let me try.
This tastes like sito.
What?
It's sweet. Like the one we tried before. You don't like it?
Again? a bigger sip.
Let Daddy try it.
It actually tastes a little more like peach.
It's nice, right? Okay, guys, that's it for today. For this video. See you again. Bye. Grand Lisboa Palace,
Macau.
Macau.
And